The previous video was a really light video. We just looked at some comparable apartments in two other regions outside of Ras Al Khaimah. Now this video will be a little bit, well, let's just say we're going to up the level a little bit. We're going to discuss the global house price index trends and analyze if it's the right time to buy in certain countries. So overall, house prices in Western countries are still rising. The Knight Frank Global House Price Index of Q3 in 2022 shows that house prices across 56 countries and territories are still rising at a rate of 8.8% per year, but that is down from 10.9% in their peak in Q1 of the same year. However, in real terms, when accounting for inflation, house prices now are declining by 0.3% year on year. In nominal terms, however, the slowdown is taking longer to materialize than we anticipate. Turkey leads the board, but the exceptional growth can predominantly be discounted due to uncontrolled inflation in this country. Markets that have seen the largest jump in interest rates are sliding down the rankings table. For instance, Canada has moved from the 10th to the 34th position in the ranking, and Australia from 28th to 47th place. At 11%, annual price growth in the United States may seem robust, but it has dipped from a peak of 21% in March 2022. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate breached 7% in October for the first time since 2002, according to mortgage finance agency Freddie Mac. Now, Singapore is Asia's top-ranking city with growth of 14%. A healthy labor market, a move by investors out of equities and into property to capitalize on rising rents is driving prices upwards. Seems like a good market to invest in. UK sits mid-table with annual growth of 10%, but house prices falling month on month in September, they look like they have peaked. Only 6 countries and territories recorded a decline in prices. In general, if you have a stable income to secure financing, buying a house when prices are declining can be a good opportunity for you to purchase a property at a lower price. However, consider the potential risks as well. If house prices continue to decline, you may end up with a property that is worth less than what you paid it for, at least in the short term. Also, a decline in house prices may be a sign of a broader economic downturn. On the other hand, buying a house in a country where house prices are increasing may be beneficial in the sense that the value of the property is likely to appreciate over time. I'm thinking of strong performing countries, strong performing European countries actually, Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovakia, North Macedonia. However, those markets are increasing now, and that does not necessarily mean that they will be increasing next year, at least not at the same steady rate. Because the house market, like any other market, is subject to fluctuation and can be affected by other factors, in this case interest rates, economic conditions, and supply and demand. Additionally, in countries where the prices are increasing, the prices may be higher and it could be harder for you to find an affordable property. I'm thinking now of Northern European countries like Estonia, Iceland, and Latvia. In most countries, property taxes is an additional cost that homeowners have to pay, usually in most countries on an annual basis. The cost of the property taxes vary on the location and the value of the property. And again, this is a significant cost and significant expense for the homeowners. Some countries, though, offer no property tax. But be careful, because there are some countries where you don't have to pay property tax, yet you don't fully have ownership. So let me list some countries where you don't pay property tax, where you really do own your home. Croatia, Liechtenstein, Monaco, Malta, Georgia, Fiji, Cayman Islands, Cook Island, Sri Lanka, Qatar, Bahrain, and the UAE. So, what about the UAE? How's the house market doing in the UAE? Are you interested in finding out? Okay, stay tuned for my next video. And don't forget, if you are looking to buy, sell, rent a property in the UAE, contact me today.